If you want to check voicemail messages on the Motorola Edge 70, what you can do is you can go to the phone app. Over here we're gonna switch to the keypad, and you should be able to press number 1 in order to speed dial the voicemail. And if you do so, once you connect with the voicemail, once you call the voicemail, then you should be able to follow the instructions, but usually you can immediately listen to messages that someone might have left you on the voicemail. Now, in case you cannot reach the voicemail by pressing and holding number 1, then you can go back to the home page and tap on these 3 lines in the upper left corner, and then choose Settings. Over here in Settings, you should be able to go to the voicemail. If needed, select the SIM for which you want to manage the voicemail, and then go to Advanced Settings, then choose Setup, and over here we have the voicemail number which we can edit. And if you don't know the voicemail number that you need to enter over here, you can ask your carrier or service provider. You can try to contact the support or something, or you can try to enter the name of your carrier or service provider in Google and just type the voicemail number or something like that. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.